again. Are you ready for some math? All right, so can you get this page out today? This is the only page that we have to finish today in math. Page 57. Can you make sure and get that out? All right, we're going to be doing 4 word problems today. Do you remember yesterday how we were going over the clues and there were certain steps, things that we had to do for each word problem to figure out what the answer is going to be? All right, well today we're going to practice with some more word problems, but we're going to use subtraction. Remember the ones we did yesterday were all addition, where we add. We're going to be doing subtraction today. Subtraction is where you take away. Now remember when we go look for clue words, if it's addition, it's going to be all together or how many, okay? Now when we do subtraction, the clue words we have to look for are these. What's the difference? How many were left? Or how many more? Okay, so all of those. And then you also have to remember one more thing with subtraction. When you write down your numbers, remember when we go circle our numbers? Well, when we write them down, when we do subtraction, we always have to write the biggest number first, okay? All right, let's look at problem number 1. Charlie and Charlotte were helping Mom clear the table after lunch. There were 4 plates on the table. Charlie took 2 to the sink. How many were left for Charlotte to carry? Okay, so we read our problem. Now let's look for the question. How many were left for Charlotte to carry? All right, so we need to see how many plates were left. So let's go find numbers that tell us about plates. 4 plates, so let's circle the 4. And then 2. Now let's see if we can find any of these clue words, clue phrases. How many were, how many were left? That's our clue word. That means we're going to do minus. All right, so let's write our equation. And remember, we have to write the biggest number first. So there were 4 plates. Charlie took 2. So now we got to figure out how many were left over that Charlotte could carry. Do you know what that would be? 4 minus 2 would be 2. If you have 4 plates and someone takes 2 away, there's 2 left over. All right, let's look at problem number 2. Let's read it carefully. Mom said she was going to carry the twins' new baby sister for 9 months. She had already carried her for 8 months. How many months were left? All right, so where's our question? How many months were left? So we're looking for months. So let's go up here and see if we can find numbers that talk about months. There's 9 months. Any more numbers? 8 months right here. Okay, we got our 2 numbers. Let's look for our clue phrases or clue words down here. How many were left? That whole sentence is our clue. That means minus. So let's put our biggest number first. 9 is our biggest number. Minus 8. How many's left? If you have 9 and you take away 8, then you have 1 month left. Okay, very good. Now, I want you to press pause and I want you to finish this one, and then I'm going to see if you got it right. So you pause it and let's see if you can get these correct. All right, did you do them? All right. So let's see what you did on this one. So how many more would be your clues? And then here's your numbers you should have circled. And then you should have written your equation like this. Is this what you did? Is that what you did? Did you get word problem number 3 right? If you got this right, can you put a happy face beside it? If you got it wrong, put a sad face. All right, good. So on word problem number 4, your clue phrase is this. Your numbers would be 8 and 5. And your equation would be 8 minus 5 equals 3. Did you get it right? If you got that one right, give yourself a smiley face. If you got it wrong, give it a sad face. Okay? Good deal. I hope you did well on that. All right, well, that'll be all your math for today.